You are going to love the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.